Have you ever wondered how you can make money online with ChatGPT in 2024? ChatGPT is a revolutionary AI model. Its versatility makes it a tool of choice for online businesses and writers alike. It's capable of content creation, blog writing, and script generation. Such capabilities open up avenues for online income generation. With ChatGPT, opportunities for earning are vast and varied. Stay with us to explore some fascinating ways to earn money online using ChatGPT. First, let's delve into how ChatGPT can assist with customer support. It's a powerful tool, efficiently handling queries. It's cost-efficient, unhindered by time constraints, and always quick to respond. That's the power of ChatGPT. Next, let's talk about content creation with ChatGPT. This AI-powered tool is a game changer. It crafts unique, compelling content tailored to your audience. Think of it as a dynamic, robust creator of blog entries and social media posts. It's designed for quality, ensuring resonance with your audience, with a content creation machine right at your fingertips. Let's explore ChatGPT's chatbots world. They're smart, designed for businesses to better customer interaction. Addressing customer queries, suggesting products, and providing ceaseless support eliminate complex coding necessity. With ChatGPT, you can build bots that truly understand and engage with your customers. So how can you make money online with ChatGPT in 2024? ChatGPT is a versatile tool. It aids in customer service, content creation, and chatbots. It can transform your business. The perks are abundant. In this world, utilize ChatGPT to amplify your enterprise. Begin utilizing this powerful tool today and take your business to new heights. Before we wrap up, we have a small request. We hope this video was informative and useful for you. If it was, could you kindly give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it helpful as well? Don't overlook subscribing to our channel, as it helps us continue creating these videos. Your support is invaluable and it truly means the world to us. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos. We appreciate your time and effort. See you soon.